What's up guys? In this tutorial we will create text wraparound subject in Photoshop. Create new document. From File select Place Embedded to add image. Image link is provided in description. Go to Select Choose Subject. Again go to Select Choose Modify from that select Expand. Follow Settings. Follow same process, now select Smooth. Follow Settings. Select Marquee tool, place it on selection. Right-click and select Make Work Path. Now select Type tool. Place it on path and right-click. You can add any text you want. And boom, we are done with it. Try it out guys. If you guys like my content, subscribe to my channel.